Phonic Reading Lesson number 4. For those who are new here and want to know more about this course, please check this video. Lesson 4 is divided into 4 steps. First step is introducing letter P and its sound along with building P words vocabulary. Second step is sound activity for letter P and all other sounds learnt in previous lesson. Third step is introducing few more sight words. Fourth step is introducing CVC words reading. Let's start step 1 with the introduction to letter P. We can use sandpaper, flour or even tracing on paper to teach letters recognition and writing. While tracing sandpaper or flour, need to use index finger. For tracing capital letter P, first write standing line and then go back to starting point and write inverted C curve at the top like this. While tracing small letter P, write standing line, go up on the same line to starting point without lifting finger and then inverted C curve at the top. In case if your child is confused about different tracing pattern for upper and lower case when both look same, it is because while writing 90% of the time we use lower case letters. Writing without lifting pencil increases speed, which is very much needed in higher classes. Letter P sound is P. To pronounce P sound correctly, press your lips together and next push out a puff of air as your mouth opens to make the P sound. P. To help your child to build P words vocabulary and also to work on letter P sound, along with this video I am sharing 3 phonics songs for letter P and also flashcards which can be used after phonics songs. You can laminate this flashcard at home without laminating machine. If you want to know how, check this video. I am providing link to this video in the description below. You can also use techniques shared in previous lessons to build P words vocabulary. Next step is sound activity where kids needs to identify beginning, middle and ending sound in any given word. These activities are very important. It helps your child to build strong reading and spelling skill. Here I am sharing printable copy of worksheets for these activities. You can download this using link provided in description below. You can also make reusable worksheet out of it with the help of my previous video DIY reusable worksheet. I am providing link to this video in the description below. Please check. Under sound activities, first activity is identifying beginning, middle and ending sound of given item. As instructed in this worksheet, first ask your child to say sounds of letters S, A, T and P aloud and then ask them to identify the item and say its name aloud. When they pronounce the word aloud, they will hear sounds in it accurately, which in turn helps them in sound activity. Next, ask your child to identify beginning, middle and ending sound of the item. If your child struggling to identify correct sound, instead of correcting them right away, guide them towards correct answer with the help of tips provided in previous lessons sound activities. For second activity, need to cut the pictures given in this worksheet. All these items having P sound either in the beginning, middle or in the end. Paste this picture in the correct box given here. This activity helps your child to know how to identify P letter sound in the beginning, middle or in the end of the word. Third step is introducing sight words. Till now we have introduced 6 sight words. In this lesson your child will learn 4 more sight words. They are he, she, all and is. This is very important topic for fluent reading, so I have made separate video on sight words. If you want to know how to introduce sight words and how to help your child in memorizing these words, please check my video on sight words. You can find the link for this video in description below. Fourth step is blending sounds and reading CVC words. Till this lesson your child has learned 4 sounds in SATPIN. They are sounds of letters S, A, T and P. In this lesson, your child will learn to blend these sounds and read simple CVC words. First, make your child to revise sounds of all these letters. When they see these letters, they should only say letters sound, not their names, like S, T, P. After sound revision, next is blending activity. Blending is joining sounds together to read a word like T, A, P, tap. For beginners, blending sound is not as easy as it sounds. So here is one useful tip. While reading CVC words, ask your child to stretch the vowel sound like T, A, P. With each attempt, reduce stretching as sound. T, A, P, T, app, tap. Try this and let me know how your child responds to this approach. This worksheet having simple CVC words along with pictures corresponding to the words. Pictures guides beginner to blend sound and read the words. So initially choose worksheet with pictures. Later with more and more practice, kids will start blending sounds and reading without support of pictures. T, A, P, tap. S, A, T, sat. P, A, T, pat. If your child is struggling to blend the sound, use the vowel stretching approach mentioned earlier like T, A, P, tap. S, A, T, sat. P, A, T, pat. Out of S, A, T and P letters sound, one can make only 3 CVC words. After 2 more lessons, we will complete all SAT-PIN sound and your child will be able to read many more words. Make sure they practice sight words at least for a couple of minutes daily as shown in my sight word video. With this, your child will easily read simple sentences at the end of 2 more lessons. This brings me to the end of this video. Please let me know your feedback by mail or in the comment box below. If you are new to this channel and like this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.